Hey guys, this is Pradeep. We are going to make a small mocktail for kids which is creamy base, and the ingredient goes with some pineapple juice. For that we add some mango and pineapple juice to this, and going to add some fresh cream for this, and some crushed ice. We are going to give a filling with it. Okay, and let's go and start with the mocktail. Yeah, so first we are going to add some pineapple juice. And shall we add just 30 ml of pineapple juice, so which gives more froth for mocktail and really kids love. And for the thickness we are going to add with sweeter mango juice.